Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this cryptodad. In this video, I'll be showing us how to mine the Sienna coin. So this coin has already been listed on Binance, it's already trading on Binance. So immediately make the minimum recharge so you can make withdrawal. So to start mining, you just need to download the app. You just need to click on this link. I'll be dropping the link in my video description. So you just need to click on the link, then you need to download the app. After you've downloaded the app, so you need to enter the invitation code you are seeing here. So and after that, you just need to sign up, then you need to start mining. So immediately make the minimum charge so you'll be able to make withdrawal. So to get the app, so you just need to click on the link. When you click on the link, so you'll be directed over to your Chrome. So and after you've been directed over to your Chrome, so you'll later be taken over to Play Store. So you just need to download the app from Play Store. You need to click on install. You'll be seeing install this particular site. You just need to click on install. I'll be opening the app right now. So I'm presently mining this Sienna coin. So I'm presently having this particular amount. So and this is the time left for me to continue mining. When you are signing up, you just need to make use of your email. So you have to make use of your email to register. So when you come over here, so you'll be seeing your referral link. You also earn more by making referrals. So when you make referral, your particular mining speed will be increasing. So you just need to copy this link, then you need to share to your friends. So you can also view your team at this particular site. So when we come over here, these are wallets. So I'm having 1.56 watts of the Sienna coin. So for me to make withdrawal, I just need to click on withdraw. So when we come over here, we'll be seeing the play games and earn. So we come here to spin every 90 minutes. We'll be getting from 0.5 watts of the coin. So we just need to click on this spin. Then we have to click on this click here to play. So just click on that. So I got 0.002. I just need to click on claim. It has been added to my balance. So we can also come over to the profile. Just need to click on this. When we click on this, we'll be seeing my profile. You can set your name here. So I'll just be going back. So you also be seeing your current mining section. You just need to click on this. When you click on that, you'll be seeing the current mining section. So this is my mining speed, my current mining speed, and this is my active refer. So I've made a total of 6 refer. So this is my self mining speed. So for every refer I make, I'll be getting this particular amount of speed. So and my duration of mining is just 12 hours. I'll just be going back. So you also be seeing the mining transaction. So when you click on this, you'll be seeing your transactions, your mining transactions you've made. So I've already mined this particular amount. I'll just be going back. So you also be seeing the increased revenue. So you have to click on this to learn how to earn more fast. To earn more fast, you just need to make refer. When your speed reach this particular amount, it will be multiplied by 2. So you can just go through this to get to know how to increase your revenue. You can also come over to the questions area. So I'll just be going back. So this token has already been listed on Binance. I'll just be going over to Binance. So I'll just be coming over to the market. I'll click on the market. Then I just need to search for the token. The token symbol is SC. So I'll just click on this. So can we see this token is already trading on Binance. So this is the token. The token is already listed on Binance. I just need to click on it. So it has already been listed on Binance. This is the present price of the token. So for me to make deposits, I just need to click on deposit. Then I'll be seeing my address here. I just need to select the network and I need to copy this address. So after I've copied the address, I just need to go over to the app. So after I've reached the minimum, I just need to go over to click on withdraw. Then I need to paste in the address. I'll just paste in the address. I need to select the network. The network is this. So you can also send via email registered on Binance. So this for only Binance users only. So just be selecting this. Then I'll need to click on select. So when we select this, so we're seeing the minimum withdrawal, which is 10 watts of the token. I just need to go out to click on select. Then I need to enter the amount. So let's want to make withdrawal of 10. I'll be charged 1 SC as network fee. I'll be receiving this particular amount. I just need to go ahead to click on withdraw. But presently I'm having this particular amount. I just need to make more refer. After I've reached the minimum, so I'll be able to withdraw. And 9 watts of the token is going for. I'll just be going over to my calculator. I'll be getting this particular amount of dollars after I've made the withdrawal. So to earn more token, I just need to make refer. So after I've made more refers, I'll be able to make much income. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and also turn up the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Have a nice day, guys.